Nutritional yeast benefits, most amazing health benefits of nutritional yeast. What is nutritional yeast? Nutritional yeast is deactivated form of the same strain of yeast that is used for making bread and beer. It is affectionately called nooch. It is commercially available as a food product and can be found in the bulk aisle of most natural food stores. It is available in the form of yellow flakes, granules, or powder. Nutritional yeast is rich in nutrients often lacking from vegetarian and vegan diets. It is popular with vegans and vegetarians, and may be used as an ingredient in recipes or as a condiment. It has a cheesy, nutty or savory flavor, which makes it a popular cheese substitute. It is often used by vegans in place of cheese, for example, in mashed and fried potatoes, in scrambled tofu, or as a topping for popcorn. Most manufacturers fortify the yeast with nutrients, particularly B vitamins such as niacin, pantothenic acid, B6 folate, and B12 before packaging. Here are 6 most amazing health benefits of nutritional yeast. 1. Nutritional yeast is very nutritious. Nutritional yeast is a great source of protein, B vitamins, and trace minerals. Fortified nutritional yeast contains more B vitamins. However, unfortified varieties still contain a moderate amount of B vitamins, which form naturally as the yeast grows. 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast contains 30% to 180% of the RDI for B vitamins. Fortified nutritional yeast is especially rich in thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. Nutritional yeast contains high-quality protein, with all 9 essential amino acids that humans must get from food. 1 tablespoon contains 2 grams of protein. 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast contains 2% to 30% of the RDI for trace minerals, such as zinc, selenium, manganese, and molybdenum. Trace minerals are involved in gene regulation, metabolism, growth, and immunity. 2. Nutritional yeast prevents vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is needed for a healthy nervous system, DNA production, energy metabolism, and the creation of red blood cells. Vitamin B12 is only found naturally in animal products, so vegans must supplement their diet to avoid becoming deficient. Consuming fortified nutritional yeast can be an effective way to prevent vitamin B12 deficiency while on a vegan diet. 1 study including 49 vegans found that consuming 1 tablespoon of fortified nutritional yeast daily restored vitamin B12 levels in those who were deficient. In this study, the nutritional yeast contained 5 micrograms of vitamin B12 per tablespoon, which is slightly more than double the daily recommended amount for adults. Vegans should look for fortified varieties of nutritional yeast to ensure that adequate amounts of B12 are in the product. 3. Nutritional yeast reduces oxidative stress. Nutritional yeast contains powerful antioxidants such as glutathione and selenomethionine. These antioxidants prevent the cell damage caused by free radicals and heavy metals and help your body eliminate environmental toxins. These antioxidants defend against chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and macular degeneration. 4. Nutritional yeast may boost immunity. Nutritional yeast contains 2 main carbohydrates, alpha-mannan and beta-glucan. Studies show that alpha-mannan and beta-glucan can reduce the frequency of infections from pathogens like E. coli and salmonella in pigs, as well as reduce tumor formation in mice. 1 study found that people who consumed nutritional yeast were 25% less likely to catch a cold than those who didn't. Those who did get sick experienced less severe symptoms and sleeping problems. Beta-glucan and alpha-mannan help protect against infection in several ways. They stop pathogenic bacteria from attaching to the lining of the intestines. They stimulate immune cells, making them more effective at fighting infection. They attach to certain types of toxins and reduce their harmful effects. 5. Nutritional yeast lowers cholesterol levels. The beta-glucan found in nutritional yeast may also lower cholesterol levels. In 1 study, men with high cholesterol consumed 15 grams of beta-glucan derived from yeast daily for 8 weeks. This lowered their total cholesterol levels by 6%. Another study found that mice fed on beta-glucan from yeast had significantly lower cholesterol levels after only 10 days. Beta-glucan is also found in other foods, such as oats and seaweed. Extensive research shows that the beta-glucan from oats can significantly lower cholesterol levels. Although the chemical structure of beta-glucan in oats is slightly different than the structure of beta-glucan in yeast, data suggests that they have similar cholesterol-lowering effects. However, no study to date has investigated whether consuming nutritional yeast in its whole form has the same effects. 6. Nutritional yeast benefits for diabetes. Nutritional yeast is also a low-glycemic food that contains chromium, a mineral that may help regulate your blood sugar. So these were the nutritional yeast benefits for health. How to use nutritional yeast? Nutritional yeast is used in the following ways: sprinkled over popcorn or pasta, stirred into soups for an umami flavor, as a cheese flavoring in vegan sauces, as a thickener for soups and sauces, added to pet food for extra nutrients. Serving sizes are determined by each manufacturer, but typically 1 or 2 tablespoons. It is safe to use nutritional yeast in moderation, typically up to several tablespoons per day. While nutritional yeast is safe to consume for most people, anyone who is allergic to yeast should not consume it. Those who have trouble metabolizing folic acid or vitamin B9 should read labels carefully and may want to choose unfortified nutritional yeast whenever possible. This is it, guys, for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance.